All right, this is a video of the air compressor I got and the problems that I'm having with it. I do have the water in there, and it's going. I was going to warm it up and see how it's doing. This is all cold. There's the temp on it. So I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. This is on here. There's no pressure. This is loose. Tighten that. There's the pressure in the tank. Pressure on there. I'm not going to open this just so it gets up to pressure and I can show you that the piston's not going. So this is loose here. Got it open. And here we go. You can hear that it's not very loud. It's not going like it should. Oh, there we go. Just blew the fuse.